Right now, an AI somewhere probably knows more about you than your best friend does. It has pieced together your browsing habits, financial moves, social connections, and even your mood from the way you type. Most people have no clue how much of this data is wrong, incomplete, or being used without their permission. Welcome to Echo ID. Today, we're going deep on why most people are quietly losing control of their digital identity in 2026, and the practical steps you can take right now to fix it and take full ownership. I'm Carl, and Echo ID is your hub for building, protecting, and amplifying your digital identity. We recently unified everything under one brand because identity touches every part of modern life, from investing and content creation to privacy and personal branding. If you want to stop being a passenger in your own digital life, stick around. Let's start with a quick story. A friend of mine recently applied for a new opportunity, and the company ran a background check that included AI-scraped data. What came back was a distorted picture with old controversial posts, incorrect location history, and associations with accounts he hadn't used in years. He almost lost the opportunity. This is happening to regular people every single day as data brokers, social platforms, and AI systems build shadow profiles. In the tokenized world, your digital identity is becoming the key to access, trust, and opportunities, and most of us are leaving it on autopilot. Here's why this matters more than ever right now. AI agents are making decisions about you based on your digital footprint. Tokenized identity and verifiable credentials are becoming standard for finance and Web3. Reputation scores and on-chain history are starting to influence real-world outcomes. Privacy regulations are lagging far behind the technology. If you do nothing, you're letting others define who you are online. The good news is you can flip the script starting today. Most people lose control in these 5 areas, starting with fragmentation, where data is scattered across hundreds of old accounts. Second is inconsistency, with different versions of your story on different platforms. Third is lack of verification, with no strong portable proof of who you are. Fourth is passive consumption, where people only consume content instead of intentionally building their presence. Fifth is ignoring AI and not understanding how machines are interpreting your data. We'll tackle each of these on the channel and in much more detail on the blog at echoid.com. Here's your starter action plan, starting with Phase 1. Audit and clean this week. Use free tools to see what's out there and close or secure old accounts. Claim your username on major platforms. Phase 2 is secure and verify by enabling strong 2-factor authentication everywhere. Start using verifiable credentials and decentralized identity tools. Create a central hub like your own website or a profile on echoid.com. Phase 3 is build intentionally with consistent value-driven content on 1 or 2 platforms. Use profile frames and holographic cards to stand out and engage with communities that matter to you. I'll share my personal checklist and the exact tools I use in the pinned comment and on the blog. Think about this. The people who thrive in the next decade will treat their digital identity as seriously as their finances or health. They'll have a clear, protected, and amplified online presence that works for them 24/7 even while they sleep. That's what we're building together at Echo ID. This YouTube channel is your weekly shot of insight and motivation. But the real depth, templates, free resources, and community discussions live on echoid.com. Head there. Now grab the free starter kit and join the growing group of people who are done leaving their identity to chance. If this video hit home, subscribe and turn on the bell. Comment below. What is one area of your digital identity you want to improve most? Visit echoid.com and take the first step today. The best comments and follow-up conversations happen on the site. Thanks for watching all the way to the end. That already puts you ahead of most people. Next week, we're covering the best privacy tools for 2026. Until then, start owning your identity, and I'll see you in the next video.